Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy, and I have a quick DIY that I'd like to share with you guys. As most of you guys know, my father passed away in May, so I thought I would put together a really pretty picture. The pictures we have of my dad are not the best in the world because he was a very sick man, and we just didn't get a whole lot of good pictures, good quality pictures, as I would call it. But anyways, this is a picture. The kids are my four kids. This, of course, is my father. Every material that I've got in here come from Hobby Lobby. You guys definitely go check out Hobby Lobby. And no, this video is not sponsored by Hobby Lobby in any ways. It's just a little, I like Hobby Lobby, so it's just my own video. It's my own creation. It's not sponsored in any way. I got this right here is that felt paper that's glittery. I found some, and so I got the felt paper as the background, and then I glued the picture in the middle here, and all of these that you see around the border, they're just little stickers that I'd put on there that I thought was super cute. So if you guys want to make a DIY memorial picture frame, and the picture frame also comes from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. I think it was $4.50, something like that, less than $5. But you guys, here's your cute idea to make if you guys are interested. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you.